Welcome. Today, we're diving into one of the simplest but most useful tricks in WhatsApp: how to pin a group chat to the top of your chat list. If you're part of several conversations, you know how easy it is for an important group to get lost among dozens of messages. Pinning keeps that group right where you can always find it. Let's go step by step so you can do it in seconds. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your chats, and you'll see all your conversations listed in order of most recent activity. Next, scroll through your chats to find the group you want to pin. It might be a family group, a work chat, or maybe a group of friends planning something fun. Once you spot it, get ready for the key move. Now, on Android devices, press and hold on the group chat for a couple of seconds. You'll notice that the chat gets highlighted and a set of icons will appear at the top of your screen. Among them, look for the pin icon. It looks like a small push pin. Tap on it, and instantly, that group will move to the top of your chat list. If you're using an iPhone, the process is just as simple. Swipe the group chat to the right until you see the option to pin. Tap on it, and you'll see the group lock into place at the very top. Once a group is pinned, it will always stay above all other chats, even if newer messages come in from other people. You can pin up to 3 chats, whether they're groups or individual conversations. It's a perfect feature to keep your priorities organized and avoid missing key messages. And if you ever change your mind, unpinning is just as easy. Simply long press or swipe again and select unpin. That's it. Your chat will return to its regular position based on the latest activity. So now you know exactly how to stay on top of your most important WhatsApp groups. Make your messaging life easier and more organized in just a few taps.